If you've watched 100 of my videos, or honestly anybody's videos about starting a marketing agency, an AI agency, or whatever the hell you want to call it, and you still haven't actually started, or you're stuck at maybe 1 to 2 clients, then this video, I promise you, is for you. This video won't be a tactic or more information, because you've had enough information for years. This one is going to force you to actually do the things that you need to do. And to make sure you do that, I'm going to be putting over $18,000 of my own money on the line. And look, I want you to look behind me. You see a ton of awards. And so in case we haven't met, I've been running a local marketing agency for years now, since 2014. And all of these awards behind me, some from ClickFunnels and some from GoHighLevel, look, I didn't win those by reading a blog post last week or watching 500 YouTube videos. And I sure as hell wouldn't still be here on YouTube coaching thousands of people if what I teach and what I say isn't mostly true. And people like my students wouldn't have gotten results like this. Take a look at JR, who landed a $1,224 client. Look at this student who made $3,850, and this one made $5,184, and this one was a $1,400 payment. And here's a student who made $8,025 from a single client. And another one who landed a $3,500 client, and this student who is showing off 3 brand new clients at $500, $3,730, and $3,130. And no, I am not saying that you should expect these results from watching this video or any of my videos, or doing what I'm going to tell you to do in this video. But why am I telling you all this? It's for one reason. So you know that when I tell you why most people stay stuck, probably like you, it's not a guess. I've watched it happen thousands of times, and I've watched and know exactly what will fix it. So hear me out. Here's the truth. Nobody in this space wants to say it out loud, because they make money selling you on the next video, the next free course, or the next shiny ass tool that does nothing but make you more confused. And if you're feeling what I'm saying, drop me a comment down below. Say, I'm feeling it. I get it, because I know it hurts. And the reason why you haven't built your agency or made enough money or landed enough clients is not because you don't know enough. You know enough. You've probably known enough for a year now. Hell, you could probably teach a beginner the basics right now off the top of your head about this business. See, the information was never the problem. The information is freaking everywhere. It's free, and that is exactly why it stopped working. The watching, the saving the videos, the I'll start Monday, the Monday that becomes next month, the next month that becomes next year, the next year that becomes never. Does this sound familiar to you? And so the real gap is between knowing and doing. And nothing in your life is forcing you to cross it. There's no deadline. There's no accountability. Nobody's watching you. So you stay exactly where you are, comfortable, informed, confused, and stuck. And look, I don't think that's a you problem. I think almost everyone is wired this way. We don't do hard things unless something or someone forces us to. So guess what? I built the thing that's going to force you, and it's called the AI Agency Challenge. It's a 21-day competition to build your local marketing agency using AI, and it starts June 10th. And here's how it's going to work in plain English. For 21 days, you do real agency work. You find clients, you build them websites, you send mock-ups, you book calls, you close deals, you offer whatever services you want to offer. Every action you take inside the Agent Vault earns you points. Those points go on a live public leaderboard. And at the end of 21 days, the top people in each track win. And that leaderboard is the whole point, because suddenly you're not doing this alone in your basement, where quitting costs you nothing. You're on a board. People can see, and there's a deadline, and there's something on the line. That's the accountability that's been missing this entire time for you. Now look, I know what some of you are thinking. There's no way that I can compete. There are people who've been doing this for years. So I solved it. I split it into 2 tracks. We have our founders track, that's existing Agency Vault members. The veterans, they compete against each other. The rookies track, that's anyone brand new who joins before June 10th. You compete only against other newish people. So a total beginner is never going to go up against somebody who's been doing this for 3 years. Everybody has a real fair shot at winning. Now let's talk about what you're actually competing for. So this is about over $18,000 in cash, Apple gear, growth opportunities, and courses and tools. So the first place, the founders track, $1,500 cash and a MacBook Air. And I'm going to give you a YouTube interview with me and a backlink to your agency website. First place rookies, $1,000 cash, an iPad, plus the interview in the backlink. And it's going to ladder all the way down. You got Apple Watches, AirPods, cash, 3 months of Agent Vault, through the top 10 in each track. It's a lot, but my favorite part, even if you don't place in the top 10, every single person who completes the action actual challenge gets entered into a wild card drawing. And so for 12 months, you'll get Agent Vault completely for free. Plus, we will give you an 8-week mentor to walk you through our entire agency process, start to finish, one-on-one, over 8 weeks. Just this is worth $8,000. And I'll probably add more wild card. So everyone who actually finishes gets a chance to win. Now, here's why this challenge is actually winnable, even if you have a job, kids, and 90 minutes barely a day. The reason most people never execute is the boring, tedious work gives us an excuse to waste time on things that don't make us money, the stuff that drains you before you ever get to the fun part. But what happens when you are left with only the fun stuff? You have no choice but to do it. What is this fun stuff? Prospecting. So I built 8 AI agents that are going to handle exactly that. Paul's going to find you leads. You don't stare at a blank list or pretend you can't find anyone to email or call. He is going to pull the qualified leads and local prospects in minutes. Bob is going to build your websites. No more pretending. If I only knew how to build a website, then I can maybe talk to people. No, it's done in 5 minutes. Now, you walk into a pitch with something real to show instead of nothing, that's where you win. Clay is going to prep your sales calls so you're not winging it and freezing up. No more, I don't know what to say, what to offer, or how to respond to objections. Clay handles all of it. Now, to be clear, I want to be known as the transparent guy, not one of these kids on YouTube pretending he's making cold calls when everybody knows it's just his buddy he's talking to. Come on now. The days of you being duped on the internet end today from this channel, from this challenge. My agents don't replace you, and that is the good thing. That is why this opportunity still exists. You still make the calls. It's just now you can be confident. You still send the emails, except now you can one-click send batch them. Saves a lot of time. You still close the deals. You still build the relationships. The agents just do the grunt work that used to eat your nights and give you the excuses you made up in your head. With these agents, you can move 10 times faster. You do the human part, they do the tedious part. Let me address the obvious question. What if I join and it's not for me? Well, entry is a measly $89 a month for my school premium, which gets you everything. AI agents, we put them in the Agent Vault, the community, the training, and your challenge entry. But here's how confident I am, that at the very worst, you will be so confident after this challenge that landing a client or landing more clients will feel easy. But even if that is not enough, if at the end of this challenge, you feel like you learned nothing, accomplished nothing, and it was a complete waste of your time, you're gonna get a full refund and cancellation, no questions asked, no hoops, no prove you tried hard enough, no submit your homework crap guarantee. No, just ask and it's yours. Here's the only catch. If you ask for a refund, you step out of the prize pool. That's it. Which means the only people who can't win are the ones who never start or quit. So here's what I want you to do. Entry is closing June 10th of 2026 at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After that, no new entrants until the next challenge, and that's probably months away, if ever. The link is right below this video and pinned first comment. Go read the page, look at the prizes, read the guarantee, and then you make a decision that you've been putting off for way too long. Look, if you want to keep watching GoHighLevel affiliates shove GoHighLevel videos down your throat, be my guest and continue to enrich everyone else but yourself, you need to be forced to execute with the boring stuff handled and something real on the line. And that's what this challenge is for. And one more thing, June 10th at 12 p.m. Eastern, I'm going to be going live right here on this channel for the official kickoff. I'll walk through everything, demo the agents live, and answer every question that you have. But the best part is, if you join today or whenever you watch this video, you're going to get access to all of the trainings so you can start deploying these agents now. Then come out of the gate firing on all cylinders. So do me a favor, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you there. Give me a comment down below, and please, for the love of God, stop watching YouTube videos all day. Start building, use the link, and let's get after it. I don't have to do this. I'm doing it because I know this is going to change a lot of people's lives. Thanks for watching.